Step 1. Left-click Start button. Type Control Panel. Left-click Control Panel. Step 2. Left-click Programs. Left-click Programs and Features. Left-click Turn Windows features on or off. Step 3. For demo purpose, check TFTP Client. Left-click OK. Left-click Close. Step 4. In Windows Search, type TFTP. TFTP is available in Windows 10. Step 5. Turn off TFTP Windows features. Left-click Turn Windows features on or off. Uncheck TFTP Client. Left-click OK. Left-click Close. Step 6. Left-click Windows search box. Type TFTP. TFTP is not available in Windows 10. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.